Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aditya, and in this video we'll be starting about conditional statements. So in the previous video we did a lot about data types. We have done type conversions, understood about static and dynamic typing. So that was a lot about data types. So we'll come to a new topic which is called conditional statements. And after this we'll be doing more advanced data types like arrays and objects. So what do I mean by conditional statements? So conditional statement is nothing but a statement which depends on a condition, hence the name. So suppose you give a condition like if I get 35% or above, then only I'm going to pass, else I'm going to fail. So that's a condition. It is called as if else. So in this video we'll be talking about if else. So let's go ahead on the screen and check out how do we do that. Hey guys, so right now we are on the laptop screen, as you can see. So in the REPL IT we'll be doing everything. All the programs which I do in this course will be all available publicly. I'll even be pasting the links. So as you can see, I've opened a folder. I'll create a new REPL and it is JavaScript. So let us call this conditional statements. Statements, and this will just come in if else. Conditional statements are just like if else. So right, if else. So now let's click enter. So it's creating the REPL. So let me just full screen this, and shall I zoom it? So please comment it out if it is okay or not. I'll just keep it more large. So let's just minimize this thing, and yeah. So till now we have just learned about how we declare variables. So we learned how we declare variables and do stuff like checking the type and data type, converting one data type to another data type. So first let us declare a variable called let r equals now it is around 9 o'clock, so I'll just create 9 a.m. So now this if else statement, if else or these conditional statements are common in most of the languages like C++. Every language, it is most fundamental. So and the syntax is also similar in all the programming languages, very similar. In Python it is little bit different for else if you write like elif. So let's just go ahead and do that. So as you can see, I have written a statement called if, and we'll write if hour is less than 12. So we'll console.log and we'll say good morning. And then we'll write another statement called else. So in this else block we'll be writing what happens if it is not less than 12 hour. So we'll write console.log, and then inside that we'll write it is not morning, or else shall we write good afternoon or good evening. Good afternoon, good afternoon. So I just forgot if. So now let's run this program. So as you can see, it is giving good morning. So what it is doing is that as we have declared a variable called hour, it is checking if hour is less than 12. So if it is true, so it only checks for true or false. If it is true, then it will print. If it is false, it will leave it off. It won't do anything, and it will pass on to else. So else will do the other part. So as you can see, console.log good morning. Oh, just a minute, I think something has happened. So hey guys, it was just a small problem, sorry for that. So let me just full screen it again. So let me just click here. Okay, full screen. Yeah, so as you can see, we have got this if hour is lesser than, then print good morning. So it is checking what the condition is. So if it is true, then it will print the if block, whatever is there in the if block. So as you can see, I'm doing that block, means starting the block and ending the block with the curly braces. So this is must. So if you have just one condition, you can just write it in the next line, just like I'll show you. So you can just write like this, and no need to give curly braces if you just have one condition like that. So as we can have more and more conditions, usually people add the brackets. So now we have added the brackets, so there's nothing much to talk about the brackets. So as you can see, this is about if else. Now there's another statement called else if. So what this else if is that it will take another condition. Suppose you want to have more and more conditions, so we write an else if hour is greater than 6 is greater than 18, so it is in the evening 6. So then print good afternoon. Also, I think it is not, it is only till 3 o'clock. Let us add till 3 o'clock 15. So now let us add else block again over here, or else you can even just add like this, else, and add a block console.log and good evening. So now it will just print the same like good morning over here. As you can see, it has printed just good morning. Now let us try to change the hour. So now let me keep 11. No, it is around 14 maybe. So 14, and then let's run this. So we have got an error, so something is not defined. Reference error, L is not defined. So where is it? Yeah, so here just it was a syntax mistake, sorry. So as you can see, it has printed as good afternoon. It is checking. So when we want to add more and more conditions, you can add more and more else if block, I'm sorry. It is in Python, it is called as elif. In JavaScript, it is called as else if. In C++, Java, it is also called as else if. So the syntax is almost the same. So hour is greater than 15, and we can even perform calculations like so we'll just increase the hour by 2 equals hour plus 1, and then we'll console log it, console.log, and then print hello hour. So now let's run this program. So it is taking some time. So guys, sorry, it was again some error. So as you can see, we are right now in that thing. So if else is just like that. So we'll just add one thing called hour is equal to hour plus 1, and now let's run this program again. So it's just gonna do that, and it is showing us the output, as you can see. So let hour, so we are declaring it as 14, and here when it is meeting the condition as true, hour is less than 15, we are then again incrementing it by 1. So actually this is used in loops. So in the next video we'll be talking about loops. It's also one of the interesting topic. A loop is nothing but repeating itself in a continuous time until a condition is false. So we'll explore that in the next video. I hope you like this video. Please be sure to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates.